Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I have a really special treat. We have the 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. This has been a dream car of mine for the longest time, and it's just, I've driven it a little bit, just getting used to it, and it's a lot of fun for sure. Nice carbon ceramic brakes. Wow. Go ahead, hop inside. I don't know if it's because I've driven so many exotic cars, but getting in and out is actually not terrible. It's actually pretty easy. So once you're inside, it's actually, you know, when I've sat in ones in showrooms and stuff, it's been kind of claustrophobic. No, it's actually really nice. A lot of visibility in here. Yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Sorry, those are touchy. That's so cool. You know, I just drove the Shelby GT350 and that sounded amazing, but this is so cool. Now, is it all stock? Anything done to it, or?
No, nothing done to it.
So cool.
Eventually gonna put an exhaust on it.
Yep.
Probably that about it.
That's all this car really needs, honestly. Car's wide, so I don't know how.
Go ahead and get
that. That kick between shifts, oh, it's so good. The speed really sneaks up on you for sure. Because it's 700 horsepower, correct?
Yes.
And what size is the engine? I know it's a V12, but what's the liters on it? Like 6 something, I think?
6.8, I believe.
Man. So this car is much more about miles per gallon rather than miles. Handles really, really well too. I mean, it's a heavy car for sure with the all-wheel drive system and all that. This weighs, I think, around 4,500 pounds.
It's heavy.
But, I mean, you have 700 horsepower. It makes up for it for sure. Oh, little pops and crackles there. taking a... that's straight.
Just go... Take that right. Normally no one's on this road on Sunday. Just have to turn around up here somewhere.
And then just head back the same way. Or if we could get back on that big stretch and feel the power a little bit more, that would be good too.
Yeah, we're gonna have to turn around at some point, so.
This seems like a good idea.
Yep.
And just back out into the street. I was gonna say it should have it. There we go. I found the blind spot, which is
There's a lot of blind spots.
yeah. I don't know if you can see any better out that side.
You're good. There's no one's here. Go ahead. You got the camera, so.
Yep, that should be good.
Yeah, you're good.
The one thing I don't want to do is damage this car. So yeah, I'll just head back that way and take a left onto the road like we did the last time.
Usually, like I said, nobody's ever on this road, but of course. Today.
Of course, yeah, the one day. There we go. I'm like, when's it gonna rev match? And then once you have the RPMs up, it does it. I mean, this is like the last raw Lamborghini, you know? Because now the Aventador replacement is gonna move to a smaller displacement, hybrid technology, dual clutch. So this is the last of the greatest.
I agree.
Now, have you ever done launch control in this car or anything like that?
No.
That I know is like completely violent.
I'd like to get it to a track someday.
Yeah. When I was out in Las Vegas, I had a choice between the Aventador and the F12. And I'm like, which one would probably be better on the track? So I chose the F12, and I don't know, I think I may have made the wrong choice. But, I mean, the difference between those cars, the F12 is kind of like a scalpel. This is just an absolute sledgehammer.
Yeah.
'Sounds so good. Let me tell you, you made a right choice in this thing, for sure. You know, and then when you're...
I had the Gallardo before this, so
They're two totally different animals.
Yeah.
What year was the Gallardo?
it was an 04. I had it for a while. but
Oh,
I
so
got
like
it,
a
but-
first gen.
Yeah. I liked it though. It was fun.
Oh yeah. I've driven a 2010 560, and that was pretty fun too. $570.
Yeah. Not every day. Aventador passes a 5.7.
I know.
I see that guy around. He goes to the car shows and stuff. Those are quick.
Yeah, they are. I'm actually also a driving instructor with Dream Drive Exotics, and they have a 12C that I get to drive quite often. That thing is a blast.
My buddy has one.
Yep. Next event I'm working with them, I'm gonna see if they let me film, you know, driving some of the cars. We had a 458, but it burned to the ground.
Really?
Yeah. That was somebody was in the middle of driving it and they're like, hey, let's stop, we see some smoke, and sure enough,
they saw some smoke.
yeah, and we saw some flames. I wasn't there the day that happened, so all right, ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, I'm in love. This thing is amazing. I know for sure the camera picks up the kicks because when I shift, all I see the camera do is boom. My face hurts. I'm smiling too much. I love the fact that it's just the RPM gauge. That's all you need to know. Now I understand why they call launch control thrust mode. Because it's just like, there's a difference between naturally aspirated and a turbocharged power, you know? Some turbocharged 500 horsepower cars will feel as fast as this, but this is a much more like thrust feeling, like taking off from a jet.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, you can put turbos on anything, and it's gonna
That's
go
true.
fast. You know what
Yep.
I mean? That's why I'd be sad to see them go the way of, you know,
Way of turbos and all
everyone's
that.
going the way of turbo, even the 488. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Turbo.
And after driving the 488 and the 458 back to back, while no one can deny that the 488 is much faster, the 458 just had a better feel.
Yep.
It just felt a lot better, and I felt a lot more connected to the car.
Oh, it's, like I said, anyone can.
Turning heads. I think it's that orange color too.
Yeah.
What's the name of the color? Do you know?
God, I can't even remember.
Holy
I just
crap,
call
it's a
it
Lambo orange.
I just
Yeah,
call it orange because their colors are.
they're absurd. Yeah, neck snap orange.
Yeah. The thing that's cool about it is it looks so many different colors and so many different lights.
Absolutely.
That's what I like about it.
And there's a beautiful flake to it too. Yeah, let's cut off the bright orange Lamborghini. So violent and so quick. Thank you so much for this opportunity. It means the world to me.
No problem.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for more videos and have a great day.